Hey everyone, it's Donna, and we're going to have a little fun today. I've been seeing on TikTok about the purse bowl, the Elusive Purse Bowl. And what this is a bowl that when you are switching out your purses, if you have a larger purse, what happens to all the items that you took out of the purse? You usually leave them in a pile somewhere. So I'm going to a thrift store because I've been seeing women that are doing this, and they go to a thrift store and they find their perfect purse bowl. Let's see if I can find one today. Hang on. So we're coming up onto the building that I'm going into on the right, and they are open, and it looks busy. The red brick building there. Northern Michigan, guys. Would this work? That's an option. Another option, but I think I need something bigger. There we go. I really like this. Is that an actual little basket? This might do it. Or maybe this. Deep, but I do like that. I think that could handle it. Or a tray. Not really a bowl. Here's, this is etched. That's a nice deep bowl. Here's a cute option. If you live or love palm trees, live in the south or have palm trees. That's a pretty option. This is really, if you have a big purse and you need a big carry purse, this would be a great option for that. This is my hand. You can see how big that is. Okay. That's a great option. Smaller option. Frosted pink. Almost, oh, it's the depression glass.
I know that. I can get it.
Here's some cut glass. It's very pretty. Really liking this bowl. It's a footed fruit bowl. Look at the price, $4. I could throw a wallet in that. This might be a great option right here. I don't think this is very pretty, but I don't think it's big enough.
Are you over anyone's store?
I am. I have that layout too.
Okay. So we got two.
I need it to be a little bit bigger. This basket might even work. You have a spot for it. It's pretty. Okay, I think I found my purse bowl. Here's a, let me put my eyeglass case in there. That works. Very heavy. And it is lead crystal. Okay, I think that'll be pretty in my closet. All right, so we're back, and here's what I bought. Hang on, I'll show you what it is. All right, this is a bowl that I selected. Deep enough, lead crystal, heavy, heavy, heavy. When I clean out my purse, here's probably, if I had a larger purse and I was switching to a smaller one, I would leave probably my eyeglasses, maybe just have a few individual Kleenexes, not a whole pack. A smaller hand sanitizer, I'd leave the bigger one here. And I usually carry Skittles. I'm a type 1 diabetic. I usually keep just a small little bag, but I'd have something smaller. And any other just little extras. I can toss them in this bowl. And when I get back and switch back to go to a larger purse, I can just go right to my bowl, pull my items out, put them back in the purse, and take off. So you might want to check it out. It's pretty cool. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.